Two generations. Two Bhatt women. One industry. But who truly carved their name deeper into Bollywood's magical face? Pooja Bhatt, the elder sister of Alia Bhatt, blazed through the 90s with raw vulnerability and fearless film roles. Both daughters of the legendary Mahesh Bhatt, Alia Bhatt reigns in the modern era with range, elegance, and back-to-back blockbusters. But beyond fame lies a deeper question: whose journey matters more to Indian cinema? Which one of these gorgeous Bhatt ladies left a stronger impression on the Indian film industry? Let's explore together. Enjoy till the end, where I will tell you a secret about Pooja Bhatt you never knew before. Let's go. The background. Pooja Bhatt, daughter of filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, made her debut at just 17 in Daddy, 1989, a film that blurred lines between art and emotion. She was Bollywood's rebellious darling, tackling taboo topics, unconventional roles, and eventually stepping behind the camera to direct films like Paap and Holiday. But, fast forward 2 decades, enters the ever-beautiful and brave Alia Bhatt. She launched by her father's production house in Student of the Year, 2012. But she quickly shed the glam tag with Highway, 2014, proving her acting mettle. Today, she is a bankable star with a filmography that includes Razi, Udta Punjab, Gangubai Kathiawadi, and global projects like Heart of Stone. Strengths and signature eras of Pooja and Alia Bhatt. Pooja Bhatt dominated the early 90s with an emotional rawness that few dared to exhibit. Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi showcased her romantic side, while Zakham highlighted deep communal pain and personal struggle. Her presence wasn't just about performance, it was political, social, and deeply introspective. Alia, meanwhile, became the face of a new kind of heroine, layered, flawed, human. Udta Punjab had her playing a Bihari migrant in distress. Razi turned her into a quiet spy driven by patriotism. And Gangubai Kathiawadi turned her into an icon of feminine resilience. Critically, both have been lauded. Pooja for pushing boundaries during a conservative era. Alia for redefining stardom in a saturated, image-obsessed industry. Family legacy and nepotism. Being a Bhatt daughter opens doors, but it doesn't guarantee legacy. Pooja, despite her last name, had to carve her space during a time when female-driven stories were rare. She often chose indie-like roles over mainstream security. Alia, on the other hand, entered a post-social media world where nepotism is a loaded word. Critics pounced, but her consistent performances and intelligent role choices shifted the narrative from privilege to power. Interestingly, Pooja rarely faced the nepotism scrutiny Alia did. Perhaps it was a different media landscape. Or perhaps Pooja's battles were more internal, while Alia's are waged in the public eye. Reinvention and resilience. Pooja Bhatt stepped away from acting in the 2000s, fighting personal demons including alcoholism. Her comeback through web series like Bombay Begums marked a new chapter, older, bolder, unfiltered. As a director and producer, she continued telling stories that matter. Alia, meanwhile, transitioned into production with Darlings, a dark comedy about domestic abuse. She took creative risks with directors like Sanjay Leela Bhansali and joined big-screen spectacles like RRR. Her growth isn't just upward, it's outward, spanning genres and geographies. Cultural impact and public perception. Pooja Bhatt challenged Bollywood's comfort zones. She played women who weren't likable, but real. She disappeared before social media could frame her legacy, but for cinephiles, her courage remains unforgettable. Alia Bhatt, in contrast, is a star in full light. Every move documented. Every film dissected. She represents a generation balancing modern femininity, mental health awareness, and career ambition. Where Pooja pushed through silence, Alia navigates through noise. So, Pooja and Alia fans, we know you love these ladies. Who do you think truly defines the Bhatt legacy? Pooja Bhatt, the storm that came before her time? Or Alia Bhatt, the breeze that turned into a monsoon? One left behind scars. The other, milestones. The truth is, Bollywood would never be the same without them. It needed them both. And here's is my secret about Pooja Bhatt you were waiting to know about. Despite her iconic presence in Bollywood, Pooja Bhatt almost missed out on her debut in the legendary film Aashiqui, a role that launched her career because of her first love. As she revealed on Bigg Boss OTT2, Pooja was offered the lead in Aashiqui early on, but her then-boyfriend didn't want her to pursue acting. She chose love over opportunity, turning down the role, before later starring in Daddy and Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi instead. Too sad, she was just close to make an even bigger history. Tell us in the comments, who left the deeper mark on your heart. Ciao and see you sooner than you know.